What every disability policy holder who has psoriatic arthritis needs to know about their initial disability application. You should do a number of things before you stop working and apply for benefits. First, you should get a copy of your disability policy. How does it define disability, occupation, or self-reported conditions? You need to understand what you have to prove before you apply for disability benefits, and you need to understand if there are any limitations in your coverage. Your policy just might limit your benefits to 2 years because of your complaints based on a subjective basis. And if there's no objective basis of the diagnosis, the carrier will say, just 2 years of benefits. You should get a copy of your medical records. Review them. What is the objective basis for the diagnosis? What do your records say about your report of symptoms or your restrictions and limitations? You should get a copy of your personnel file. Does your psoriatic arthritis affect your work performance in any way? You might have a limited ability to use your hands, walk, sit, or stand for any length of time that's impacted your ability to do your occupational duties. You'll also want to get a copy of your job description. Now, you haven't insured your job, you've insured your occupation. You need to understand in your policy what's the definition of occupation. Is it how you perform work for your employer, or is it in the national economy? If it's the national economy, you're going to have to get the Dictionary of Occupational Titles description for your occupation. You'll create your own description of the physical and cognitive duties with an explanation of how those symptoms impact your ability to do your occupational duties. Why? Your doctor is going to be asked by the disability insurance carrier to prepare a report or to complete attending physician statement forms. Your doctor is going to be asked a number of questions, including, what's the objective basis of the diagnosis? What's the objective basis for the restrictions and limitations you assign? And doctor, what are the objective reasons why your patient can't perform some or all of the material and substantial duties of their occupation? Your doctor is going to need to understand your occupation and the material and substantial duties of your occupation and your symptoms before they can accurately answer those questions. You may also want to prepare a diary that explains how your symptoms interfere with your ability to do your occupational duties. I know that it can be difficult to make that decision to apply for disability benefits. Worse yet, the application process is confusing. It's designed so that you and your physician make mistakes that can result in a delay or even a denial of your benefits. I know how to prepare and file a winning shock and awe disability application packet. That packet will leave the carrier little reasons to question your claim. If your claim has been denied or terminated, it's time to call me. You'll only have 180 days in which to file an appeal if you have an ERISA disability insurance policy. Disability insurance carriers are in the business of collecting premiums and not paying benefits. They'll use any reason to deny your claim. Your chances of getting your benefits at the initial application stage and on appeal are greater when you're represented by an experienced ERISA or private disability policy attorney like myself. I offer a free initial consultation, and I can help you regardless of where you live in the United States. You owe it to yourself and your family to learn more about your rights to disability insurance benefits as a result of psoriatic arthritis. I look forward to talking with you today. Call today, 727-894-3188.